Pow, zap, Excelsior. In today's comic-style adventure, we're diving into the world of proper posture and how to crush lower back pain. So suit up and prepare for this heroic journey, true believers. Just like superheroes have their arch enemies, don't let poor posture become the cursed kryptonite to your lower back health. Fret not, because we have the power to obliterate it. Let's begin this mission. Chapter 1. Unearthing the power of perfect posture. Bam! Our story starts with the ancient scrolls that reveal the secrets of perfect posture. To maintain an unbreakable fortress for your lower back, don't forget to master the art of spine alignment. A superhero's neutral spine is the key to unlocking extraordinary strength. Ka-Pow, behold the neutral spine. It possesses 3 natural curves, just like our beloved trinity of superhero virtues. Don't forget that maintaining these curves is the only way to survive the onslaught of lower back pain. Chapter 2. The heroic sitting posture. Wham! When it comes to a desk-bound mission, adopting proper sitting posture is your sidekick. Here are the guidelines to keep you in line. Don't forget to sit back in your ergonomic throne with your back against the backrest. Don't let your feet float in the air. Plant them firmly on the ground or on a footrest. Don't allow a slouch. Achieve a 90-degree alliance at your hips and knees. 4. Don't underestimate the power of an ergonomic chair to support your lower back. Zap! Remember, don't even think about crossing your legs or leaning forward. That's just a recipe for lower back disaster. Chapter 3. Mastering the ergonomic arsenal. Kaboom! Creating an ergonomic lair is your secret weapon to support your noble posture and banish lower back pain to the abyss. 1. Don't neglect to customize your chair and desk height to match your heroic stature. 2. Don't forget to erect a monitor stand to position your screen at eye level. 3. Don't place your keyboard and mouse out of reach. Keep them within arm's reach. Don't ignore the need for short quests to stretch and recharge. Biff, these tactical adjustments will not only fortify your posture, but may also help you create a more productive workspace. Kaboom! In conclusion, you are the true hero of your story, and maintaining proper posture is your superpower. Don't let lower back pain challenge you. With each passing day, you can rise above and obliterate it. Thwack! If you found this epic adventure enlightening, don't hesitate to give us a thumbs up and join our League of subscribers for more valorous health and wellness quests. Together we'll stand tall, strike a heroic pose, and conquer lower back pain. Until our next grand adventure, my fellow heroes, stay vigilant.